Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now what we have this time is a delicious peach pie. Absolutely beautiful pie, great for the summertime. We've got everything we need to make it over here, and I'm going to run through all of that and tell you exactly what we've got and how much it cost. For the pastry we have 260 grams of plain flour, and that cost me 14 pence. We have 65 grams of unsalted butter, which is 50 pence. We've got 65 grams of lard at 13 pence. We've got a pinch of salt, and we've got a few tablespoons of cold water, which we can't really cost. For the filling, we've got 2 tins of peaches. This cost me £2.20. We've got 1 lemon at 22 pence. We've got 20 grams of brown sugar at about 7 pence. We've got 50 grams of granulated sugar at about 6 pence. And we've got 2 teaspoons of cornflour at 4 pence. The whole recipe then comes to £2.75, and we're going to get 8 servings out of that quite easily, making each serving 34 pence. Very reasonable and absolutely delicious. First thing we're going to do is make the pastry, so let's get to that. Okay, now I'm going to make the pastry in this food processor. Can be done by hand. I used to do it by hand all of the time, really, but then I got a food processor. Makes the job that much easier. But if you are doing it by hand, it's simply a matter of getting the flour and rubbing the fats into the flour until you get like a breadcrumb sort of mix. But in the food processor, it'll do that in a couple of ticks. Right, put a little pinch of salt in there. Get the lid on, and there we go. Okay, that's looking good to me. A little bit more maybe, there's a few lumps in there, but we'll take them out. Right, that should do it. Now to that, I'm going to add some cold water. I'll try 3 tablespoons, might need a touch more, we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's looking beautiful. That's it there. That's beautiful pastry, and made, as I say, very quickly in the food processor. Right, I'm going to wrap that up in some cling film, and I'm going to stick it in the fridge whilst we get on with the filling for this. Okay, and for the filling, what we want first is the juice of this lemon. So I'll just squeeze that out. That's it there. Very good. And then what I'm going to do is strain these peaches. I'm going to keep the juice from them for now, but I'm just going to strain most of that off at this point. And we'll get that into the bowl. Same with the other tin. This may not take the full 2 tins. I think it would be a very tall pie if I put both of them in. But I'll prepare this anyhow, and I can always have the rest of them just with a little ice cream or something like that, if they don't all go in the pie, that is. Right, so we've strained them off. As I say, I'll set that aside. Okay, and to that, I'm going to add the majority of this sugar, like that, and I'm going to add the brown sugar as well. Yes, I'll just keep a little of this sugar to sprinkle on top of the pie once it's done. Now, we're going to get the lemon juice in there. Very good. And we're just going to mix all that together. And I'm going to set this aside for about 15-20 minutes, something like that, just to get all of the juices out of these peaches. The sugar should help them release some of the juice, and we'll use that juice to make a beautiful syrup for it later. Okay, and they've had about 20 minutes, and all of that beautiful juice has come out of them now. So I'm going to strain that off into this pan. I'll just let that go for a little while. Yes, excellent. Right, and with them strained, we'll get them back into the bowl, and we've got this beautiful syrup. Right, we're going over to the hob with this, and we're going to reduce it and then thicken it up. Right, we've got that on the hob on a low heat. We're just going to let that come to a sort of boil, and then we'll see how thick it is and see whether we need to get any of this corn flour in. I think we will, because we want a really thick sort of syrup for this. Right, okay, that's just coming to the boil there now, so I'm going to turn the gas down. We've got our corn flour here. I'll put an amount of that in, maybe just about 3/4 of it for now. I just want to see how this goes. I don't want to make it too thick, but we don't want it too runny either. So we just need to keep stirring until that begins to thicken up. I think I will put the rest of that in. So that was 2 teaspoons of the corn flour, or corn starch, you may know it as. And we'll keep that moving. And that's about it there. See, that's a nice thick syrup coming together there. Still a little runny, but that I'm saying is looking good. That's going to cover those peaches, and they're going to be delicious. Right, I'll take the gas off. We'll just let that sit for a moment, and whilst that's cooling just a touch, we'll get back on with the pastry. Okay, now I'm going to make the pie on this enamelled dish or plate. That's 9 inches across, about 24 centimetres, and I've already given that a good coat of lard. So we'll set that aside. I have the pastry here back out of the fridge, if we can. Right, there it is, looking good. Okay, so we're going to cut the pastry in half, like that. Set one piece aside, and I'll make this into a sort of a circle. And there we go. That will want a little bit of flour on the board. And now we just want to roll that out enough to cover the plate. And that should do it. Okay, so we're going to take our pastry and get it over the dish, or the plate. I keep calling this a dish, it's a plate. You could indeed do it in a dish if you wanted to, like a proper pie dish. And we'll push that down onto the bottom of it. Very good. And we'll take off the excess. Now we'll put that together with the other piece of pastry. And what I'm going to do is make a lattice on the top of this. It's not going to be a solid covering. It'll be a lattice. So we need to roll this out again and then cut it into strips. Okay, that should do it. Now, I'm going to cut it, I think, into strips of, about 1 inch, 2.5 centimetres, something like that. Now, I'll just put these over here for now. Right, so we're going to get all of that syrup out of here and over those peaches. This smells absolutely delicious, by the way. The syrup is excellent. Right, we've got that cleaned out. Now we just want to combine all of that. And with that all combined, we can now get that out and into the pie dish. Plate. Right, that is the full 2 tins as well I got in there. So that's going to be a superb peach pie. And now what we're doing is just making this lattice. Right, we'll get that one across there. Get that over there. And that over there. Now we're going to need a little bit more pastry, but we do have these ends to cut off, so that's okay. Yes, that last piece will go on there. And there we have it. Now I'm going to egg wash these and pinch them into place, so to speak. So I've got my egg wash here, and we just want to put a little bit on there and pinch that in. Same with all the corners. And then we can take off any excess. And then give the whole thing a good egg wash. Right, that's what egg wash, and as I say, we saved a little bit of the sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. This is going into a hot oven at about 200 degrees centigrade. It's going to sit in there for 10 minutes, then I'm going to turn it back down to about 180, and it'll stay in for about another 20 minutes. But again, we'll just keep an eye on it, ready for the oven. Okay, and about half an hour later, that had 10 minutes at 200, and then it had a further 20 minutes at about 170. And I've got to say, that looks absolutely delicious. Smells beautiful as well. So I'm going to let this cool down, and then we're going to take a taste. Peach pie. That's absolutely beautiful. The pastry is done excellent. I'm serving it with a little homemade ice cream here. There's a link in the description below the video for the homemade ice cream if you would like to try that. Very simple and delicious. But the pie looks absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to take one of those pieces of that peach and see what that's like. That is superb. That really is delicious. Let's get some of the pastry with it as well. That is one delicious peach pie. Beautiful on a nice hot summer's day like today. This is still a little warm because I couldn't wait to try it. But I will keep this in the fridge, I think, and I'll serve it cold with the ice cream. The thick syrup with those peaches makes them absolutely wonderful. And as I say, that whole recipe came to £2.75. Now you could make that cheaper actually, yeah? You can get cheaper peaches. Peaches were the main expense here, and you can get them cheaper than this. I paid about £1.10 tin for them, but like the supermarket home brand and stuff like that, get them a little bit cheaper. But as I say, very simple to make, well worth a try. So there it is. That's how to make a delicious peach pie, and it is truly delicious. So can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more recipes like this, always on a budget, always very simple to make and absolutely delicious, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off this peach pie, and I thank you very much for watching. And do have a go at this, it's really beautiful.